Hello guys. I hope I'm live. I hope you guys can hear me. We are going to have a look into the charts right now. This is 1 minute time frame chart. It's 2:47, and I will change this for to New York time. I'm leaning bullish at the moment right now, but I don't know what exact point market could be aggressively bullish from here because we have a news as well coming up at 3 o'clock in London time. So jobs opening. Could be anything, but I'm leaning more of like bullish because of all of those highs. I'm not confident on all of those highs, but we are doing nothing right now. This this pink line, sorry, these pink lines. Oh my god, my mouse is a shit, man. These pink lines are 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Oh shit, bro, what is happening in here, man? These pink lines are 1 hour time frame fairly gaps. Oh, look at this. My mouse is like horrible, literally. So I'm anticipating that from here market should have to be bullish, but we don't know. The reason is because we have a news coming up. That's why I have taken I was watching this for a second whole morning. There has been a, like you can say that not an ideal trade. There could have been a trade, but it was not an ideal trade at all. Like we took two shots, but I closed them early, and then it was not at all an ideal trade. Just now when it opened, I bought at this point just a plus below this week. I was like, not an ideal trade, not a good trade. Just a week, it has formed, and we have news coming up. Not a good trade. I closed early as well. Yeah, so I think I will be waiting for the news. It's coming up in 11 minutes. So for me, like because of the news, because the way it has created all of those lows, this 1 hour time frame gap, this is green area is a 4 hour time frame gap. I would anticipate from the market because of the news coming back down, try to disrupt these lows, and then this range we are bullish. It is possible market continue to be bearish on this 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Maybe it has to knock these lows or come down into this 4 hour time fairly gap. Maybe it is possible. I would anticipate for the bullish case scenario, like it try to knock these lows and then be bullish, try to be bullish for all of those highs. And yeah, because overall we're still bullish if we watch it like that. But just on a bigger picture, it is very important to align yourself on a bigger picture as well, like how it could perform. Anything can happen. 30-minute time frame, like this should be the low. You can say that market should not have to go below this low if it has to be bullish, but it is possible. This 9 minutes left. Maybe we don't know. Like with this low, is that you can say 94, 500, 600 of the range you have. 15-minute time frame. Do you think like this 15-minute time frame market could come down to knock this low and then be bullish? We don't know. Like possible, maybe not. Anything can happen because of the news. Maybe this could be the low. Market will not go below this low, and from here market is bullish going all the way to the upper side. We don't know yet. So these blue lines are the 15-minute time frame fairly gaps. Like I will be confident to go for a buy. Market could go to this high and further to the upper side at this above this area, like at this range I will be looking for the buy. Possible could be aggressively going to the upper side from here, could go down, knock these lows, and then be bullish as well for all of those highs. It is also possible. Maybe it has to be bearish because of the news it come down and continue to be bearish. Who knows? Or yeah, possible as well. That's how it is very important to keep yourself like focus on a chart, focus on like how market is performing. For example, if it really has to go to that downside, uh, it should have to like because of the news coming down and going down. But this could be a stop loss. After that, you can say this could be a stop loss. Should not have to go above this high. Show no intent to go above this high. Continue to be down. For bullish case scenario, I'm not confident on all of those lows. Yeah, but this could be the high as well for bearish case. I'm not confident on all of those lows. It is possible it could knock all of those lows and then maybe continue to be bearish or maybe hold this area and then be bullish as well toward upper side. Anything can happen. We're just watching and observing the charts. Right now, there's no not at all. Like for me, there's no trade. Not an ideal trade. Like I would say, it could do anything. It could do anything. Just I really wanted to keep my bigger picture time frame charts in play. For the fact is that it could be like doing anything because of the news. We have 7 minutes left for the news. Let me check if you guys can hear me well. This is what I wanted to see. I don't know how I don't know how is it going on from your end. Not sure. How about I am live? For example, if it has to be bullish from here toward upper side, maybe because of the news we went toward upper side, master plus you can put your anticipate that this should be a stop loss, but I'm not confident on. And for bearish case scenario, I was just aiming for this high. This has been knocked. Technically speaking, I'm anticipating this high, but I think that this high will be also be knocked. If this high knocked, market went toward upper side, and then it is possible that market can continue to be bullish as well from here. On bigger picture time frame, if you watch chart, market did not really need to go down below this low to be bullish. On just watching this price action, 30-minute time frame favorable gap as well, 1 hour time frame as well. It did not really need to go down below this low. It really did not need 94,500 of the range, which is this one. It really did not need to go down below this low to be bullish. It could be bullish from here. Can I buy this point? This is what I'm thinking about right now. My stop loss, you can place your stop loss at this point, but I have to wait for the news, man. Wait for the news. Anything can happen. 5 minutes left. All eyes on each individual 1 minute time frame candle. Look at this. At this point, we was anticipating if the market has to go down from here, it should not have to go above this high. It went above this high. So it went above this high. It means create high at this close to this high. I'm not confident on all of those highs as well already. So it means we can be bullish. How? Could be aggressively going up, could be going down, knocking these lows, and then holding the area, then be bullish as well. We're just watching and observing the charts. So if it has to be bullish from here, this is the favorable gap. It should have to kept open. After the news, it have to wait whatever. I believe the market may not go below this low, bro. Market even now may not go below 94,672 as well. Can I buy this point? My stop loss, I can put my stop loss there. For 4 minutes left, anything can happen, man. If for example I buy here, it will be more of like speculation. It will be not an ideal trade, but could play it out, could not. I can risk a very small amount, maybe just in case market aggressively bullish from here, which it seems to me, which is possible. Watching the bigger picture time frame price action, possible. Cannot deny this. Cannot deny this, man. All eyes on each individual 1 minute time frame candle. So if it has to be bullish aggressively from here, it should not have to go down this weekly gap. It should have to keep this open. Um, because of the news, anything can happen. You cannot predict the news. I'm just anticipating that because of the news, market could be aggressively bullish from here. We are just watching and observing the charts right now. So I took three trades, right? Actually, it wasn't the first two trades was I was losing like no two, three, $5, $6. It was like a very more of like speculation. I was like maybe, but I closed the trade early, but it really went down from here. And then this was the trade I took. This was not a good trade at all. Um, I was just create one candle. I was like, it is bullish going up, but not at all a good trade. I closed it, that position, that trade as well by myself. Yeah, with a small loss here. But I really did not want to put myself into that position, that because I have done a mistake, and I should have to be like um worried about that or think about that, and this is what I've done. I should not I'm really wanting to be like more open for the trading. That's it. This is what I really wanted, to be more open to be a trader, more open to be a trader. Look at this. I was anticipating that this should have to kept open for bullish case scenario if it has to not to knock all of those lows, but it has come down. Not confident on all of those lows. Could cap this. Maybe possible. Maybe market has to not knock those lows, but um, anything can happen. News is out. Look at this going down. It may going down. It may be continue to be bearish from here. Can I go for a short? Thinking about that. Or should I have to wait for the market to knock this low and then look for the buy? Possible, could be going down from here. Possible. Look at this, because of the news it went down. Not doing anything right now. Not sure which way it could go. Could, so right now two possibilities. Right now continue to be bearish, going all the way toward downside. We don't know. Uh, could be bullish for all of those highs as well, and for the upper side price action as well. Yeah. Let's see how this kind of close. If yeah, it closed good by the way. Let's see if market show any intent to be bullish from here. Can I buy at this point? My stop loss should be below this low. This should be the low, I would say. If for example this low has already knocked all of those lows, yeah, I would anticipate from the market to not to go below this low if it has to be bullish. It's three, yeah. Can I buy? I can buy, yeah. Oh shit. I'm buying 10. My stop loss is below this low, man. It should have to be aggressively bullish from here and all of those highs we are aiming for. This is aggressive entry, by the way, but you can take. Yeah, if it 15 minutes, we have 12 minutes left. 15-minute time frame, it close bullish, it will be great. Like we have time for that as well. You should have to aggressively bullish from here, man. Invert this 1 minute time frame value gap, man. You can bought at this candle as well. This candle has closed good, by the way. Market you should have to tends to go up for to knock all of those highs right now. This is what it is I'm thinking about. I really wanted to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame as well. Look at this 30-minute time frame. Look at this 1 hour time frame. Market has come down all the way, knocked this low. It has closed above this bullish order block as well. 4 hour time frame. We could be bullish for all of those highs. 30-minute time frame. Big wick toward downward side all the way to this 1 hour time frame. It will be great if this 15-minute time frame market closed bullish above at this range. It will be great, by the way. I would really anticipate from the market not to spend much time at this range. Tends to be bullish. So once it invert, I'm anticipating that it should have to invert this value gap. Tends to be bullish from here. It should not have to spend much time at this range, man. Um, can I put my stop loss in there? This is what I'm thinking about. Yeah, you can put your stop loss at let me see 5 minute time frame, man. Yeah, we have 19 seconds left on 5 minute time frame. I'll be confident if we close bullish. Yeah, it seems to me it will close bullish. Yeah, it has closed well. 5 minute time frame. It has closed well, man. Really good. But I want to see aggressive price section toward upside from here, and I can put my stop loss there. Should not have to come down there now. Tends to be bullish to knock all of those highs. I do not want to see any rejection at this point, man. We should have to keep in mind that this blue line is also a 15-minute time frame fair value gap low as well, and this is a 30-minute time frame fair value gap. I'm really not at all looking into right now at the moment into the my P&L because I really do not want to focus on that. I'm just focusing on each individual 1 minute time frame candle, man. So once it closed above this red candle, you can put your stop loss below this red candle. These red candle will be bullish order block. It should have to keep this value gap open, and we have this low level of this 15-minute time value gap as well. This is good. I really wanted to keep an eye on a 15-minute time frame, man. We have 8 minutes left. Yeah, on 30-minute time frame we have quite a bit of time, man. 95 we're trading at. It will be great if closed above this red candle. Yeah, closed good. We are looking for all of those highs. I'm not confident on all of those. At least all of those highs. It could go to this high and the weekly high as well at this point. And I really wanted to. Yeah, we have this high as well at here. This high and we have this high as well. I'm keeping my stop loss at break even just below this candle. So this is the thing. This is a 30-minute time frame gap. It should have to just like open, go down, and this weekend tends to be bullish for all of those highs. I will look to take profit at this highs at this point on those highs. It's very important to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame uh, levels as well, like 1 hour time frame. Oh yeah, we have 6 minutes left for 15-minute time frame to close. It will be great if closed above this 1 hour time frame. And yeah, I should have to look to take profit at this range. This is what I'm thinking about. I should have to. I think so. Should I have to take most of my profit, or I want to take most of my profit? I don't know. You can hold this trade, but I wanted to take profit. I want to lock something, man. It's now break even now. If I will lose a like, very small amount, I'll be fine. I'll keep this at break even. It's going up, going up. Everything will be there. I did not want to add right now. This is what it comes into. Can I add? I did not want to add, man. I'm just wanted to, just in case maybe anything can happen. So I have to lock something, man. That's why I've taken most of my profit. Six out. 60% of the range. Usually I take 80% out. We have already done a day, like this is fine. We've recovered from all of those 150 as well. So yeah, we're just watching and observing charts. I'm aiming for all of those highs. It is possible that it could go all the way to all of those highs as well. And because we are bullish, it is likely possibility that now I'm not. I will be. If, for example, market go down as well from here. Whatever it has to do, I'll be fine because I've already made my trade for a day. It will be great if market keep this fairly gap open. Could spend some time at level at this range. We can say that. We have 4 minutes left for 15-minute time from close. We bought around about 94,700, and we are aiming for market to go to 95,200. It's just a $500 move, man. Not a big move, but it could be bullish as well. So that's why you have to be take profit, man. You have to take profit. You have to lock something initially. Initially, you should have to lock something just in case. Even though if you ever got stopped out today on this trade right now, I will be fine. I will be still closing the day positive. And look at this. This is not very good, by the way. Can I close my position right now? Because it has come down very aggressively toward lower levels. We are anticipating all of those highs, but it is not mandatory that market has to knock all of those highs. It has come down very aggressively to low levels. This is not what you should have to do, man. Oh shit. I wanted to close right now, man. Close in a little bit of loss. Overall, like a positive day. Now I'm just tape reading the market. If I will do any trade right now, it will be more of like a very small trade. I do not want to make my day a negative day. I may just buy one contract if I do any kind of trade at this point. Let's see how 15-minute time frame close. I really wanted to see if we have a liquidity on top of us. Look at this. 95, 400, 95, 896. I have quite a bunch of liquidity on top of us. 95, 700. Downward side, we have liquidity at 93, 500. Now I will be just tapering the 94, 900 as well. We have a liquidity 93, 500. 93, 94. Have liquidity below this low, and we have liquidity 93, 800, 500 as well. Quite a bit of liquidity there. Ninety-three, 500, 93, 400 of the range as well. Do you think market has a potential if we watch it like that? On 5-minute time frame, like it seems to me that it may not go below this low. Can I buy? 94, 700 of the range. We have closed on 15-minute time frame. Do you think this 15-minute time frame market will go below this low and then should have to be bullish? By the way, I'm anticipating that it should not have to go below this low. On 4-hour time frame, do you think this 4-hour time frame market will be going all the way to the upper side? Possible. Cannot deny this is not possible. Possible. Let's see on 5-minute time frame market show any intent to go below this low, which is 794, 700. This one. Look at this. It has gone down. Can I go for a short? The reason is at this point was bullish. It just knocked those highs because the news went down, then went rode up side. Was bullish for all of those highs. It shows rejection from this daily high, coming back down. Cut this 1-minute time frame big fairly gap, just tap into that going down, and from here this low and this low could be the reason for the market to be going down from here toward low levels. Can I go for a short right now? This is what I'm thinking about. Do you think this could be the top on the market? Possible. Cannot deny this. It is not possible. This could be the top as well, man. This could be the top. If it has to go down from here, like to knock all of those lows, it should have to keep this value gap open. If it went above this 1 minute time frame fairly gap, I may look to buy again. I may look to buy again, man. Can I buy at this point? This is not I was really not anticipating from the market to do. By the way, so overall, if we can say like that, I've lost like 8 on this one and 48 more of like 160 and minus 30 190, and if you minus from 100 and 1426, it is more of like we made like 1200 something today. Yeah, look at this rejection. We will be in I'll be in front of the charts up till 5, man. I have to be this 4 hour time frame candle. I really wanted to watch, and I love to watch like I really love to be in front of the charts watching the Bitcoin chart on 1 minute time frame and then understanding the market. I really love to do that. Yeah, it's a boring sometimes for some people, but for me, not a boring. I love to do that. This is the thing I always wanted to do. And if you have like somebody who is with who are with you while you're struggling in life, or maybe like I would not say like yeah, while you're struggling in life, somebody who supports you, who would say that yeah, go on, do this, you can do this. It's great. Like, what do you want in life? Like, what's better? What better would you expect from your life, from God as well? Just it's important to be like more of like be true to yourself. That's it. Be honest with yourself. Be honest with your future. Be honest with the people around you. Look at this. Up till now, it has shown no intent to come up to try to even go up to this 1 minute time value gap as well. But we are not sure if market could be aggressively bearish from here. We're not sure. Possible. We cannot deny this. It is possible as well. Maybe market has to left all of those highs not to be knocked and then be bearish for whole day for this low, and yeah, for this to this 4 hour time frame really gap. Maybe we could anticipate a major pullback toward downward side as well from here. I'm not denying this major pullback for all of those lows to this daily fair value gap and this area as well. Possible. Cannot deny this. So because of the news, market went down. By the way, if you watch out like that, watch out like that. This was like a jobs opening. So before it was 49, so there will be less job opening. So that's why there will be market went down. Just on bigger picture time frame, like if we try to anticipate the market, I really wanted to. This is a point of control value. We have the range as well, man. We could be going down from here way toward lower levels. I wanted to see. Sorry, I wanted to see a daily time frame price section. The daily time. I was watching the market on daily time frame. This is not an ideal chart to watch out because I really want to keep my eye on. Look at this. Okay, this chart is the ideal chart. Yeah, it did not show. Let's see, like if market has a potential to try to hold this area and try to be bullish, because this is 1 hour time frame pink line, 1 hour time frame low. possible as well. And if you watch out, I have like two screens. I have my laptop and this one. On laptop, I have like 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day chart. Yeah, I have like quite a bit of time left for 1 hour time frame to close. Yeah, so that's how it is. Like trading is a very like frustrating thing, you can say. Sometimes when you get a good trade, you got a good setup, you made some money, that you feel like, oh, I'm the king, and it will make you humble within a second, man. So I was thinking about our daily time frame. Let me check if we are live, man. Not sure, because this is more of like, I don't know. I did not want to refresh this thing. Um, uh, as you may hear a lot of aeroplanes going in and out because I live very close to to airport. So yeah, so keep an eye on 1 minute time frame how it is performing, uh, and then one you should go for daily time frame as well at this chart. Uh, no, this one, this one. It's a bit messy chart by the way, but so technically speaking, you would anticipate market open go down and try to knock these two highs for today, and this go to weekly high as well for bullish case scenario, because we are bullish and we have seen a quite aggressive bullish press action from here toward upper side. But it is also possible that maybe market has to left all of those highs and then come down for all of those lows, this fair value gap, and this up for the level of this weekly fair value gap as well. I was anticipating for quite a couple of days it could go to what it could make one more leg toward upper side to 96, 97, 98 give the range, and then at this range we will anticipate a pullback toward the low levels, maybe this area, or more of like downward side projection from the market. This is what I was like. But if you watch out like that, it is not mandatory for the market to knock all of those highs. It is possible that it left those highs not to be knocked and then come down for all of those lows and this area as well. It is also possible. Cannot deny the fact about that. So in that case scenario, maybe these could be the local top on the market. Um, is going down from here. I'll be confident if market went down this 4 hour time frame prevailing gap and then show rejection, and then I'll be confident that we may go down to all the way to this upper level of this fairly gap. Will it be daily time frame or maybe upper level of this um, fairly gap as well? It is not mandatory for the market to do that. Maybe tomorrow market create highs at this point of this kind of projection. Oh, sorry, today market left those highs. Tomorrow market is bullish because we have a quite bunch of news tomorrow, man. 1:15, 1:30, not form at GPP, 3 p.m. GB trades, bro. I will be very careful. I will not. If I get any trade early in the morning, I will be taking that trade and I'll be exiting. And after that, I will trade after three. I look for trade after three, man. I don't want to be like that. So after the live stream, I really have to do a lot of things, man. After 5 o'clock, I'll be here, and 5 to 7, I want to sleep. And then today, I really have to edit my on YouTube channel short as well. I have idea, I have everything. I was like editing yesterday, edited little bit, and then I wanted to finally tomorrow. I really want to upload that, and then from tomorrow I will be looking for my next short as well for the next week Wednesday, and then for this question mark YouTube channel I have to upload a short tonight as well. How market event performed today. If you have not checked that out, you can check that out on my YouTube channel, I would say. So I do two things, a live stream and one 5 times in a week a live stream and a short as well. In a short we'll discuss about we usually discuss about. Let me check if you guys can hear me on this live stream, man. For my next shot as well for the next week, Wednesday, and this is bad. Look at this. For this question mark YouTube channel, I have to show a shot tonight as well. Monthly went on a phone. If you have not checked that. So if you go to this YouTube channel, 94,600 is going down, man. 94,600, man. It's going down. I will be confident that market could be really going down to all the way to this range below this 4 hour time frame value gap, which is I'm not sure that it is a strong level of support because this price action is very jagging, very slow. On 4 hour time frame, watch out like nothing on a chart in there. And yeah, this is a fair value gap, but it has been traded many times. Just tapped into that as well today, but failed to. It should have, technically speaking. That's why I was bullish. It tapped into that 4 hour time frame value gap, and then next 4 hour time frame candle was bullish. This 4 hour time frame, I was like, it should have to open, go down, not to go below this 4 hour time frame value gap and be bullish, try to knock all of those highs. But it has come down. If it come down to this 4 hour time frame value gap, it will show complete weakness on our charts. So that's how it is. Look at this. Like at this point, market was. I was thinking about should I have to take profit at this range, lock my profit at this range, and for example, if I would have not taken profit at this range, like how the market went down from here, you are looking for all of those highs, and then it did not went down, and you by this point market is break even, and then you'll be pissed off completely pissed off that yo it was you once in a, at once you're making 2,000, then you're at break even. Like why would you not take profit? And but that's why I have like you have to have a strict rules on a market. Like you have to take 80%. Initially I usually take 80% off from the table. Today I take 60% because I was like may go toward upside, and then it went down. So for example, like if you have taken trade at this range, you bought at this range, market went toward upside, it has knocked this high, knocked that high as well. We was aiming for all of those highs. We have highlighted all of those highs to be knocked as well. But you have to be content with that. It is not like market really has to go all the way to the upside. It is not mandatory. It is possible that it could be going down from here. Maybe it has to just knock this high and be bearish. That's why you should have to think every possibility, and then that's why, like as a day trader, put your stop loss break even, take most of your profit, let the market do whatever it has to do. Sometimes it played out, sometimes not, so we can't do anything about that. So you have to keep your end safe. That's the most important thing. That is the most. So now everything is fine. So I have my curtains down now. Now everything is like it's glowing up in front of me. Yeah. So yesterday we did not trade at all. Yesterday my mind was I don't know which way. At some point you can say that I was bullish, but it was going down. We did not touch the market at all. I think we have done a great job yesterday. We did not trade anything. You're bullish on certain points. Market was going down. You watched, I sat back, relaxed. You did not chase the market. You have done a great job. At some point, could have taken some trades. I was watching that it should have to do this. It would have very small stop loss trades, and then I did not take trades. I was like, wait, we have done a great job yesterday as well. Today I have done a little bit of quite a bit of mistake initially. Um, it was a very small amount of like risking. I went for a short at this point. I was losing just $9 at this trade. I was like, it could go down from here. and then after that it really went down, but I closed when it just went up. I was like, not an ideal trade. And I took another buy or something at this point as well. I'm not sure. Before that, I have taken another trade as well. Let me see. We bought this one. I do not remember at all. I do not remember what we have done at this point. We went for a short at this point. I don't know. There's some sort of trade I've taken at this range. I closed early. I closed by myself, sell 1.5, buy 1.5. And then I don't know why I take this trade. I remember this one. I closed early. It really went down. This one as well. I was anticipating for the market to be going down or maybe bullish. Going down, maybe I think so. For all of those lows, but it went up. This was not a good trade. This was not a good trade. Technically speaking, I bought one contract, and then it was just the market has given me a 1 week candle on 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute time frame, yeah. And then the market was just open, no news has come out, and I was like, market is bullish. I bought, and thank God I closed by myself. I was like, bro, not a good trade. Stop was there. I was like, not a good trade. Went down. Look at this. And you bought at this point, just and then you sell, and then yeah. Technically speaking, I have done a mistake as well. This is what I really wanted to get rid of from my life. These kind of trades, these kind of trades. I wanted to get rid from my life of from all of those kind of trades. Because the reason is like this is what I was on weekends. I was like watching the price action, watching the charts, what I have done for the whole week. Most of the trades I have seen that I was like trading on 1 minute time frame, and it was like market did not even give me like I was just closing the charts, putting the trades on in 1 minute time frame. Just after 1 minute, 2 minutes, I was like, this is not trading at all. If at some point you know something you you want to trade on, just let go of market or got stopped out. But most of the time I was like trading in 1 minute time frame, very small ranges, and those big ranges market really performed. I was not at all trading on them. I was like, I did not want to trade on small ranges, to look for the big ranges to for the market will continue to be bullish or be bearish. I don't know. Still, look at this. This is not an ideal trading environment right now. Let me see, like if you watch out this price section, 15-minute time frame, man. 30-minute time frame. We're trading inside quite a big range. We don't need this level, by the way, right now. We still have all of those highs in play, by the way. Could be the reason for the market to be bullish. We have 23 minutes left for 1 hour time from close, which will be uh, uh, 11 o'clock and 4 o'clock. After that, we'll have 1 hour left for 4 hour time from close as well. 30-minute time frame. This 30-minute time frame market open, go down. Let's see if it has the potential to not knock these highs. So try to knock all of those highs as well. 15-minute time frame, we have this high. So this is what it is like. I was thinking about if it has to go down, should have to keep this fair gap open. It went down very choppy, very sideways, but from here we have seen market holding this area and went toward upper side. From here, difficult to buy, not easy to buy at this point because you don't know. Uh, that's why it is important to keep an eye on 15-minute time frame fairly levels. Market often go down, knock this high. Let's see if it has the potential to knock 95k from here, which is this high. Hmm. Can I buy? I did not want to buy right now. Let's see. We don't know. This is bullish, yeah. Yeah, bullish, by the way. Yeah, good. I did not want to take any aggressive entry, man. Could be going down from here now. Now all of those highs. But we have to figure out like if market is aggressively bullish or it will come down, make a retest and then be bullish, or it will not be bullish as well. This is what we have to figure out. 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, we have done a good candle. By the way, we have formed a good candle. Next 1 hour time frame, we can anticipate from the market to be bullish. If you watch out like that on 30-minute time frame as well, we have seen market open, just holding this level. Just hold this up for the level of the 1 hour time frame gap going up. 30-minute time frame as well, 5-minute time frame. Yeah, this is bullish out of block now 95. So let's see market, the way market has recovered from this range aggressively going toward upper side to continuous aggressive projection toward upper side for all of those highs. All of those highs. Or it is possible that market make a retest to any of those levels and then be bullish, or market may not be bullish. Seems to me it is bullish. Look at this. We create this really gap open. Let's see if it has a potential to knock this side. Now all of those has been knocked. I'm aiming for this side. Should have to. This is aggressive projection toward upper side. I wanted to see a continuation toward upper side of this kind of aggressive projection. It means it should have to respect all of those 1 minute time frame PD arrays or keep them open. It will be great. $95 $300. Let's see how it closed this candle. It's not really closed well. Let's see the next couple of candles. Market share intend to go above this high. Oh, it went up here. Can I buy at this point? I cannot buy. It's already gone toward up aside. From what point like market really like look at this. But how do you think, how do you trade this environment, or how can you anticipate from the market to be like performing? Technically speaking, you should have to be leaning bullish at this point. Has knocked all of those local highs, this fairly gap as well. And then you anticipate for the market to come knock all of those highs to this fairly gap and it invert this fairly gap as well. Trust it went up toward up side very aggressively, by the way. This point it is difficult to buy. Could be going down as well, remain sideways as well. When it went toward upper side invert this fairly gap, it did not stop at all. It going up and up and up. I cannot buy at this point, man. I cannot buy at this point. I will never buy until unless I give a clear indication or clear stop loss. I do not want to chase the market, man. If market is aggressively bullish, it should have to keep this fairly gap open. And this is the upward level of the 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. From here, it should have to be bullish. This is a bullish order block. Can I buy at this point? This is what I'm thinking about. This is what I'm thinking about right now. Can I buy at this point? The reason I'm looking to buy is for all of those highs. This high, that high, all of those highs. Which is not mandatory that market really has to go because we are already bullish, and then this point we have tapped into lows or knocked all of those lows, went up but went down, hold this level nicely. This 1 hour time frame, you can anticipate that this 15-minute time frame. Do you think market has a potential to knock the previous highs? Yeah, this should be the low if market really has to be bullish from here. Should not have to go below this low. Let's see if market show any intent to go down below this low. If it has to be bullish, it should have to show no intent to go below this low. We're just watching and observing the charts right now, not going into any kind of trade right now at the moment. Not confident on. We're just watching and observing right now. This could be the low. You can anticipate, yeah, market could be bullish from here, man. Look at the 15-minute time frame close and then tap into this daily high. uh, there's no daily high in here. Let's see, 5-minute time frame. Just have to keep fairly gap as well. It should not have to go below this low if it has to really be bullish. 30-minute time frame. If not this hour, 1 hour time frame, next 1 hour time frame candle, you can anticipate from the market to be aggressively bullish from here. If not this 1 hour, because it has this 1 hour time market has knocked all of those lows, these highs as well. If market is 47, 13 minutes left, 12, 13 minutes left. If not this 1 hour time frame, for bullish case scenario, next 1 hour time frame, you can anticipate from the market to open, go down to these are the bullish order blocks, not have to go show any intent to go below this low, and then be bullish for all of those highs. I'm still leaning bullish at the moment, but it is possible. This is more of like a probability. Yeah, I'm anticipating that, but if it is not mandatory that market high is at 95 260. The high is at here. Watch this per section. 95 260, man. This Binance is a candle is rigged completely. This Binance is complete shit. Complete shit, man. I'm anticipating if this is the high or not. On bigger picture time frame, like this is a relative equal highs. We are already bullish. We have come down all the way to 1 hour time frame, fairly gap tapped into that. This 1 hour time frame market come down as well again. Just create a wicks inside this 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well. and then from here going up above these red candles as well. If it closed above those those red candles, we will be bullish. Next 1 hour time frame will be bullish, looking for all of those highs. On a 15-minute time frame, by the way, market is very much choppy, very choppy right now. 30-minute time frame as well. Oh my god, it has come down. I want to keep this one in there for now, just in case. Look at this, the weight has come down. So this is what I was thinking about. It is possible for the market to aggressively bullish. If it has to be aggressively bullish, keep this low in play. And we watch this low. We watch this low. It should not have to go below this low. It went down below this low. It means market is not aggressively bullish right now at the moment. It could be bullish, making a, because we are trading at the 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Let's see on here, and we have closed above this 15-minute time frame gap as well, and up for level of the 30-minute time frame gap as well. Yeah, just the bullish order blocks. Let's see. Yeah, for bullish case scenario, it should not have to go below this low. Inside this range, we are anticipating when the market to go to local bottom and then try to be bullish to knock all of those highs. This is a daily high and the 30-minute time frame gap. I also think like market has done what it has to do in the morning session. For the morning session, it will create another high this range and then come down. As long as we are trading this inside this 15-minute time frame gap and 30-minute time frame above, you can anticipate from the market to be bullish. If it went down, I will be not bullish. I'm really actually pissed off with this level. I do not want that. Uh, from live, yeah. It's 4 o'clock. We will be here in front of the charts up till 5 because we kind of have time. So 5, I will eat something and then went for sleep, and then I have to go for gym. 2 hours sleep, and then coming back home, I have to. Today I have to edit my shot. Coming back home, I have to watch the chart for 4 hour time, 4 hour again. Just 1 minute time frame. 4 hour time for 4 hours, and then I have to do two shots editing of the two shots to finalize everything for my other shots today, and I have to do one more thing as well while I'm doing the charts right now. I can do that as well. So not confident to buy at this point, man. 6, 7, man. Busy at that time, man. Let me see like how it is performing on 15-minute time frame. If not this 15-minute time frame, like 3 minutes left, just watching this 1 hour time frame, you can anticipate next 1 hour time frame market could open, come down a little bit. It definitely should not have to go below the previous 1 hour time frame low. Then could anticipate all of those highs for the bullish case scenario. We have 3 minutes left for that. 30-minute time frame is the same thing. Not to go below this low. These red candles will be bullish out of block. Then try to be bullish. 15-minute time frame. This at this point on 1 minute time frame. We have like 3 minutes left for next 1 hour time frame. So right now, two possibilities. At this point, we check market could be aggressively bullish. It was not aggressively bullish. So we are trading inside this blue lines, which is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. We have this daily high as well. Inside this range, we are bullish, looking for the market to go to the upper side. We are waiting for the 1 hour time frame close to be done because we are anticipating that maybe not this 1 hour time frame, next 1 hour time frame candle market could open, go down a little bit, and then be bullish for all of those highs. 30-minute time frame, same. 15-minute time frame, should not have to go below this low, open, go down to tab onto daily high, then try to be bullish. We have 2 minutes left, 1 minute left for the 1 hour time frame open. So do you think this is the bottom on a market if it has to be bullish from here? Not confident on this, but we have this fairly gap as well. Let's see if market hold this daily high and fairly gap from here, try to be bullish. So 1 hour time frame close is done. Do you think this 1 hour time frame market has the potential to be bullish to knock all of those highs? The weight has created this wick. Possible, may not be possible as well. We don't know. If it had closed at this point, I would have been confident that it could go up, but now may not be bullish. But still, it could be bullish because we have this daily high as well in play. That could act as a spot. 30-minute time frame, do you think may not knock the 30-minute time frame? 15-minute time frame, we're holding this daily high, by the way. 5-minute time frame market. Let's see, like if market keep this high, bearish case and try to go knock this low, this low. If it really has to knock all of those highs, this 1 hour time frame, I would anticipate from the market to knock all of those highs. But if it went down 15-minute time frame, this 15-minute time frame level, we may remain sideways or maybe downward side as well. I would say technically speaking, if you watch this just 5-minute time frame, yes, you can say that. 15-minute time frame, we have any favorable gap? We have this small amount of favorable gap. You can say that yes, there has been a volatility on initially on the market. If you watch out just this cross section on 5-minute time frame, market really has not done nothing. Not a very much ideal trading environment. I would say that. So as long as we're trading at these blue lines, we can be anticipate from the market to be bullish, but it may not really be bullish. The reason could be it could be bullish in afternoon session. Oh shit, I have not done this. Why? Oh shit, man. How can I forget that? What the fuck is that, man? He becomes chef and then he put them there. Oh, Teddy fan. Yeah. It is not really doing nothing at this point. I'm thinking about one thing right now is market could be bullish in the afternoon session 1 to 5. This is what I'm thinking about right now. For that, I may sacrifice my sleep. Should I have to? I don't know. I'm just thinking about it right now that thing. So 12 to 5 is a afternoon session time. If I have to trade that, I have to be in front of the charts. Not very confident on the market to be bullish from here. Look at this, like this is the market. Look at this market from here. It went aggressively all the way to the upper side. So most of the retail traders, what they will do, they will FOMO or chase the market view because we're already bullish. While another time frame market hold this level and then went toward aggressively knock those highs. It has knocked those highs as well. These has left, these has left, these has left, these has left. We are already bullish. And then at this point, you as a retail trader or the beginner who don't know how to trade, they will aggressive buying at this point, going up. But look at this, it went down. At this point, my retail traders are rigged. This point as well, retail traders are rigged. Knock all of those lows, went right up a side, we were aiming for all of those out, but it went down. You initially they rigged you up second time, then maybe it will be bullish. Now it is possible. But considering this watching this for a second, retail traders are rigged in here. Okay, all of those lows. While it was going up, everyone is bullish, went down, rigged in here. At this point, where it's sideways, aggressively going toward upper side. Retail traders say, oh, now it is going up, rigged in here, come back down. All of those like retail traders are like completely pissed off right now. If you watch, oh sorry, I wanted to see this one. $96K, we can go to $96K from here, or maybe 94. We can go to 94 as well, man. Can we go to that? If you watch out, are you confident on all of these lows? This low as well. So just forgot about everything. Like, wow, just forgot about everything we have just discussed now. Right now, just focus on the highs. These are the highs which has not been knocked. Just to keep everything simple, these are the lows which has not been knocked. 1 2 3 low. I did not want to go to these lows. These are way too far. The closest possible level of highs and the lows. These are the highs which has not been knocked. These are the three lows which has not been knocked by the market. If you watch out overall structure of the market, we have at this point come down into this 4 hour time fairly gap, going toward upper side, create high at this point. While going up, this is the 1 hour time frame fairly gap, created at this point, come down to 1 hour time frame fairly gap, hold this 1 hour time fairly gap. And from where we have seen aggressive per second toward upper side. While going toward upper side from here, on this 1 hour time frame, we have created this big 5 minute time frame fairly gap, not 15-minute time frame, not a very strong level, not a very strong level, I would say, but we have created something, you can say that, and we are trading inside this 15-minute. These blue lines are 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. So technically speaking, if for example, if it has to knock all of those highs, it should not have to go below this low, these lows. This is already a 15-minute time frame fairly gap we are trading inside. From here, it should have to be bullish, go up, hold up for the level of this 15-minute time frame fairly gap and try to be bullish for all of those highs, which is possible. Cannot deny this. For bearish case scenario, we have this low, and we have these lows as well. If you watch out, maybe market has to not to knock those highs, not to knock this high. Market has to left all of those highs. Possible, we cannot deny this. It is possible. In that case scenario, it has to come down for all of those lows, or maybe this low and this low, this area. In that case scenario, what we can anticipate is this is the high. Market should not have to go above this high. This is the upward level of 15-minute time frame. Market should have to show rejection, coming back down, inverting this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, show rejection, and try to knock all of those lows. This low as well and this low as well. Let's see which way market will go from here. We don't know yet. You can be leaning more of like bullish. You can be bullish at this point. The reason is overall we're bullish, but we don't know yet. Up till now, we should have to. I can buy at this point. Let's see. This is a 5 minute after filling gap as well. If, for example, market went toward upper side, hold this area, then I will look for the highs. If it has to go down, it should have to show no intent to go above the high. From here, it should have to go down. Let's see how it closes at this point. How this 1 minute time frame candle close, man. It will be this fairly gap now. Very important to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame as well. If not this 4 hour time frame, next 4 hour time frame, you can be bullish. If not this 1 hour time frame, next we can be bullish. Market has shown rejection from the upper level of the 15 minute time frame gap. Look at this is going down. Till now, market has shown no intent to go above this high, but we are leaning bullish. Let's see how it perform. It will perform. We're not sure which way it could go from here, but we just know we have all of those highs. Could be the reason for the market to be bullish. Maybe it has to come down, hold this area, and then be bullish. It could spend its time at this range. We also knew it could spend its time at this range because of this 4 hour time frame. Favorable, favorable 4 hour time frame candle. Maybe next 4 hour time frame market is bullish. That's why we have 1 hour left. Oh, 45 minutes left. Yeah, 45 minutes left. That's why. So we can anticipate 45 minutes more of like very jagging or choppy price action at this range. Technically speaking, if it has to be bullish from here, this should be the low. This should be the low. Should not have to show no intent to go below this low. This is what it is we are aiming for. 5 o'clock will end the stream at 5 o'clock. I have to stack some Bitcoin, man. 45. Hmm. 69 GPP, man. Come down, look at this show rejection from upper level and then go down. And we have seen that inverting all of those fair value gaps on 1 minute time frame. Let's see if market I would say hold this area and try to be bullish or coming back down. Not really looking for this low. This 5 minute time frame fair value gap as well. As long as we are trading inside this range, we can be bullish. We can be bullish, man. Maybe market has to be bullish in the afternoon session, I'm telling you. It is also likely possibility. For example, if a pound go down comparison to dollar, 145. I hope my stream may I hope my stream may continue, man. Look at this, it did not hold this area, man. Let's see if we still it could lower high this range and try to come back and then try to be bullish. 750.752. If I buy from this person, no, it's 75. It will be 100 USDT. £75 for this month and next month as well. 5.8 by maximum. No, this one if I want to buy 100, I'll get 131. The other day I was getting like 121. See the which they change every day. I want to buy 2, 2, 7, 5, 7, 8. So, for example, if I buy from this guy, which is selling 7, 9, 7, 8, this one, for example, I wanted to buy 799 with 100. I'll get to 125. No, I want to buy this one from there. So I want to buy the cheapest one. 31. Uh-huh. Oh, if I buy like this one 145, thinking about like all of them, they get to 193 by the rate 0.748. 17, no 17. 75, 91. So how much I'm willing to buy at this point? That's what I'm thinking about. I'm willing to buy. Can I go for a short right now? I cannot go for a short, man. I don't know about that. If I really have to go for a short or not. Can I go for a short right now? For this low, or maybe this area as well? No, no, no short, man. Not at all a good shot. It will be not at all a good shot, man. Just watching this for a second is very choppy for 15-minute time frame. Look at this on in the morning session after the news as well. The reason is, I would say that tomorrow we have a bunch of big more news on a market. If you watch out, this one, this one, that's why. The only reason it seems to me that market may not all knock all of those highs is for tomorrow market have a big news day, and because of the news market may be bullish for tomorrow. If it may left all of those highs and then before the news or after the news, market is bullish for all of those highs. It could go to 98k of the range as well from here. This is the thing, man. You, you, you win? Yo, yo, yeah. Uh, so this is a 5 minute time frame fairly gap. We have 2 minutes left. So there are two or three things right now I'm thinking about right at the moment. Market may not knock all of those highs because tomorrow market has have a news. Tomorrow market could be bullish. It's market. It is also possible that market is not going toward upper side right now. The reason is it has to be bullish in the afternoon session as well, maybe 1 to 5. This is also possible. These are the things I'm really thinking about right now. Anything can happen, man. I don't know. We are still above this 1 hour time frame favorable gap. As long as we are above this level, we could be bullish. It will be great if market has to not to knock all of those highs in the afternoon session. Market come down to this 4 hour time favorable gap on this area. Then tomorrow will be bullish. But look at this candle. It's 11:28 on a house. Let's see if it respect this favorable gap. Try to go down to this low or it's a 5 minute time favorable gap and the lower level with 15 minute time favorable gap as well. I don't know if market will perform anything on afternoon session or not. As a day trader, what my I don't know if it will perform or not. As a day trader, what my job is to be keep an eye on the charts, uh, or watch the price action if it will. I can should by the way do that. So on patience, I'm patient on this account right now because I've done uh, doing aggressive trades for 2 3 weeks. I've been doing crazy trades, so pushing them myself. This is going up, going down. Not doing any aggressive trades no more. Bearish case scenario, I'm aiming for this low, this low. Anything can happen. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Just on bigger picture time frame, we are still leaning all of those highs to be knocked. It is not mandatory that it has to knock all of those highs. The reason is tomorrow we have big news. It is not mandatory. It has to go now because it have maybe it has to do an afternoon session. Quite a bit of things going on. Watching this price action, these all highs are very close to each other. If it went down in the afternoon session to this area, I will be confident that we may not be bullish for this whole day. As long as we are like above this 1 hour time frame and above this area, we could be bullish at any point, if you can say like that. Stop loss above this high. I'm back down, knocking this low. And this is a 15-minute time frame low level of the Beverly gap as well. Market has shown rejection from just this low I'm aiming for. Is it possible it could go down from here? 15-minute time frame, we have 30-minute time frame. Possible. 1 hour time frame. I think I should have closed the last stream. We are just aiming for this low right now. Let's see if market do that, or after that we'll close the stream. My stop loss is above this. I'm not trading. I'm just watching the price action right now. My stop loss is above this. How will you get to know me, man? Do you think like we will not talk and we'll get to know each other? So my stop loss is there. I'm anticipating that it's a very short block now. This low, these two lows right now for the bearish case scenario. Um, should have to anticipating that. It's 11:36 now. I'm 5 minute or 15-minute time frame. After the opening, market has done nothing, man. After 9:30, we open at here. It has given us any kind of trades, not at all at any kind of trade. This is very choppy sideways. Not an ideal trading day. I would say that. If you have done no trade, today you have done a great job as a day trader. If you have done a stopped out, still fine. You have to be like it's not like you have to be like break your rules and then stopped out. If you stopped out, keeping your rules in play, which is fine. The thing that is more the most frustrating thing as a trader is when you break your rules and then you got stopped out. Then you feel like, oh bro, I know this, it will do this, and then I break my rules and then this happened. You need to you don't need to break your rules to be a good trader. Never. Sometime it happens. You break your rules. Sometimes it played out, but you have to know that this was not a good trade. For me, the initial trades I have done took 2 or 3 trades. Was not a good trade. The last trade we took, it was fine trade. Thankfully, we take profit early, and we exit the market early as well. So that's how it is. This is how it is. That's fine. It's fine. As a day trader, it will happen. Always happen. It's a part of the journey. So ideally, there's no trading day environment for today. The reason is I was anticipating a volatility because we have news, but today's news was not a very big news. Tomorrow we have big news. So a day before the news, we already anticipate market may do nothing as well. So the same thing it has done. So you have done nothing, you have done a great job. Took a trade, close early, you understand market is not very ideal for trade, close the charts. You have done also a great job. Because stepped out, fine, you come back tomorrow, maybe after the session to look for the trades. And you stopped out breaking your rules, this is bad. You have to think, you have to analyze why I have done this, why I should have to do this, avoid which rule I break, I will be careful next time. The thing I've seen as a trader, when we repeat the same mistakes again and again and again, and it is also it also depends on your mental IQ level as well. You can say how quickly you pick up the things. Because from some people, they pick up the things a little bit late. Like me, I'm average guy. I have like my mind is like taking me some time to think. Really, I cannot be able to take a quick decisions, quick big decisions too early. So that's why. Let me uh, just a second, guys. I have to take a quick call. I'll be back. So that's how it is, man. Look at this is not going down. I think I should really. This is very boring, very sloppy per second. I have my alerts in set on in here 95k of the range, and we have our alerts on uh, this K of 94.5 of the range. We'll see if market how will perform. I don't know. Um, I have to sleep and then maybe bullish. We can't do anything as a day trader. We have to find opportunity, one opportunity in a day. We find any good, not find any. So we will see. I think I should end this live stream and then it will have. Sorry, I take you most of your time, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. If anything change, I will let you know in on my Twitter account. See you guys. Bye.